If you heard about meditation before and you still don't understand what this is all about, it's absolutely fine and you are not alone. Till the end of this video, you will know why you need to meditate, 3 most useful types of meditation, frequently asked questions, and the whole video will be pointed on your understanding of this topic and how you can use meditation to change your life. So why do we need meditation? Well, nowadays we are too overwhelmed with the amount of tasks and other distractions that we don't even have enough time to be on our own with our own thoughts, and this causes that we are now most depressed society ever. And meditation can definitely help with that, as you become more aware of your own thoughts by basically keep your mind silent and stay away from those informational noise, and this is really life-changing. And this reduces anxiety, increasing our focus during the day, increasing our quality of the sleep, and much more. But I think most important part is your mental freedom, because you will be aware of your body and your own thoughts, so that you cannot be controlled by someone, and this freedom is absolutely amazing. So now that we know why do we need meditate overall, we can go more in depth with each type of meditation. And the first one is interoceptive meditation, and this is basically traditional understanding of the word meditation, so that you sitting or laying down with closed eyes and deep breath, and you are basically you clear your mind and focusing on thinking about nothing, so that you can be more aware of your body. Interoceptive here means what we feel within our body, so it might be its temperature, our stomach, or our breathing. And if you're into landscapes and not really into your head, into your mind and thoughts, you should really practice this to increase your focus, so that you can be more into something for a long period of time. And it also reduces your anxiety, as you become more aware of your thoughts. You can handle more stress and bad situation in your life. The second type is exteroceptive meditation, and basically it is what we feel about external world. So it is about sounds, smells, and I think you got this. So how you do this? Basically, it is opened eyes, which really changes the way you meditate. You still focus on your breathing to clear your mind, but now you focus your state on external world. So you may just see on some buildings and enjoy this moment. Basically, exteroceptive meditation is the most pleasurable one, because you enjoy from it the most, and the main point and the main benefits that I think is basically get pleasure of your life and being present in the moment, because it is absolutely skill, and if you develop this, your life quality will just blow away. I don't know. So also, one important difference from interoceptive meditation is that you can walk basically while you are meditation, but to call this meditation, you need to put your minds into only external objects. So while you're walking and just seeing some buildings, you should think about its painting, about its probably smell, about its color. So you're not allowed to think about anything but external world that you can see, smell, and like other. The third type is exteroceptive meditation, and it's a bit unusual, as you put your mind flow into finding a solution to your problem. So you sit or laying down with your closed eyes, so that you can focus, and at the beginning you need a few deep breaths to just start in that flow of thinking about your problem, and to stop thinking about some other previous stuff that you were into. The benefits of conscious meditation are just insane, as you put your mind flow into finding the best solutions, you develop the decision-making skills, and it's absolutely crucial in life. So if you do most important decisions correctly and calculatedly, you are just the king of your life. You absolutely control it, and you have full responsibility for it. So I just can't put into the words how my life changed when I started to practice this meditation. And also my anxiety reduced as I was more aware of my life and have more control over it. So it is just the best solution, and I think everyone should do this, as it is also increases your mood and overall quality of your life, because you do most important decisions just in 15 minutes, in 30 minutes, in 1 hour, and it is just mind-blowing. The most important part of meditation and the most common mistake in the beginning is your judgment about how you cannot focus on just thinking about nothing or something specific. And it is absolutely fine to refocus, because it is an essential part of meditation, and if you don't refocus, you don't need to develop this type of meditation. So be patient, don't judge yourself, and just stay consistent, and you will need to refocus again and again anyways as you progress. So just your skill of refocusing will increase, and so the speed of your refocusing. Now it's time for frequently asked questions. So the first one is, how should you breathe? And basically the main point of breathing is to increase your awareness of your breathing, so that you can focus more on your meditation, and it just helps you to get rid of those informational noise in your head. So it doesn't really matter how you breathe, as far as you are just aware of your mind more. The second question is about sitting or lying down while you meditate. So basically the answer for this is just do what's best for you. But I found myself sitting is most effective position, because it is some kind of ritual for me. So if I sit in the lotus position, it is just unusual, and it helps me to enter this state of meditation just faster. And also I found myself a bit sleepy after lying down and doing some practice, because it is basically lying position is about more sleep rather than focusing or something. So basically I think sitting is best, but just do what suits you. The third and the last question is time. So basically, how long should I meditate? And it was found that 3 minutes is enough for the main benefits, but as much you meditate, the faster just will be your results. So I personally found optimal 10 to 20 minutes, and I think most people can do this, and benefits will come pretty soon, I guess. And it is just good time to meditate 10 to 20, but I personally meditate 15 minutes, so it's in the middle. Your choice of meditation should match your own needs, so where you lack the most is the most needed part to be developed. And I personally found myself struggling with exteroceptive meditation, so I found myself struggling with being present in the moment, and usually I'm into my mind, into my own thoughts and processes, so I really like it. And now I practice it every day for 15 minutes in the evening, and as well as conscious meditation, it's like 15 to 30 minutes, but once a week, so I don't spend that much time on it, because I handle my problems while meditating 1 hour once a week. And I don't know, maybe it's just the best ones that happened to me, because now my mood increased just dramatically, and my focus as a person, as a human being, of being in the present, is just amazing. So I recommend every person on earth to meditate, and I hope this video was useful for you. So you can consider liking this video or subscribing to my channel, so it will really mean a lot to me. And thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.